No, we did not forget about you. That's why we're bringing you the Evanna top piece from Rene of Paris. And this is in the color Creamy Toffee-LR. Now, if I pan my eyes from right to left and left to right, I'm not trying to play a game with you, I promise, unless you like that sort of thing. And then, yes, I'm totally doing that. But anyway, this over here is IGTV. Hi, everybody. And this over here is my YouTube channel. I want to make sure I cover both bases, get you the info you need wherever you're at. So let's get started, shall we? This is the underside of Evanna top piece. So you know exactly what kind of topper this is right off the bat. You can see you're probably gonna have to take the tags out because the tags are on this one. Sometimes toppers don't have sewn in garment tags. Instead, they usually come attached to the hang tag. John Rene does that, for instance. But in this topper, it's included. So you wanna make sure that you don't end up with this situation when you're wearing it. So you want to make sure that you take that tag off if you decide that you want to keep this one. It does have a lace front from temple to temple, as well as a monofilament lace part. It is seamless between the two, which is awesome. There is felt lining the perimeter of all of the interior cap features, and it is wefted in the back. This one, like the regular Evanna wig, does have permatease. Now, I know it's gonna seem ridiculous what I'm about to do right now, but if you've seen my topper reviews before, you know exactly what I'm about to do. Even though I, clearly do not have enough hair to integrate into a topper, I'm still gonna kind of put it on because by doing that, it gives you an opportunity to see what the coverage looks like, if nothing else. So in this case, I'm gonna put it on upside down first, so you can see where all of those features on this topper are supposed to sit, because that's very important on toppers. If you don't know where your hairline should be, like let's say you have a receding hairline, it's the 4-finger rule. Put 4 fingers, starting with your pinky up against your brow, and then boom, hairline. And then you'll clip these into place on the side. So you want to make sure you have nice, thick, healthy hair wherever those clips are attached, because even though they are pressure sensitive clips, and I know I look real goofy right now, but bear with me, because these are still clips and they're adhering to your hair and they will pull throughout the day, you want to make sure that hair is really nice and strong, or else you'll end up with traction alopecia, i.e. the hair being pulled out and not growing back, if it doesn't fit properly. So fit is really important with toppers, and I would argue it is more important with toppers, just like color is more important with toppers than with a full wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right side on, and because I'm only going to have it on for a moment, I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. So with these clips, you always wanna open them up and roll in and up and clip. You kind of roll it into place, and you don't want it to be loose because then it won't look like it's natural, but you also don't want it to be tight or else it will pull too much. There's like a happy medium spot where it's nice and in place, and is it going to shift around, and I'll show you how to test for that in a minute. Okay, so there are only 4 clips. I've got them all, and see how I'm kind of gently tugging on this? That shows that this isn't gonna move around, flop around. It's on there nice and securely, and it doesn't hurt me. So it's not too tight. I wanna make sure that lace front is in place, and if it is, you shouldn't even need adhesive with it, though you can always put adhesive on. I recommend toupee tape or blue lace tape. We sell it at Wig Closeouts, and these are great, by the way, for the summer because it's so much cooler than trying to wear a full wig. I'm gonna take a comb to the back of this gently just to make sure it's laying properly here in the back. And then I'll do a 360 so you can see at least how this rests. And you can see it gives pretty good coverage. Like, this is pretty cute without me actually having any hair to integrate with it. So let me go ahead and turn for you. point. And you can see when I actually pull it up, it does start to lip. So if you want to avoid that sort of thing, see what I'm doing there? Make sure that, you know, you get some kind of adhesive there for the front if that's a concern. Wouldn't this be cute at a beach party? I think this is chic, it's really pretty, it's a great little topper, as long as you don't mind the permatease and as long as you can stand the clips. Otherwise, check out something like the Evanna, full stop. There is a wig called Evanna, and there's also I think there's a fancy schmancy version of Evanna, if I'm thinking correctly, and that's from the Amour line. So you can check both those out. They're both made by Rene of Paris. And this color is Creamy Toffee-LR. LR stands for long root. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, where you can get this and a lot of other toppers and wigs and stuff. We're always trying to bring new stuff to you and showcasing it here on Instagram and on YouTube. If you like that sort of thing, make sure you follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh, snap! I should tell you how to take these out. So before I go, I got ahead of myself. When you put these on, you roll up and in, and when you are taking them out, you roll down and out. So just remember down and out when you're trying to take off the clips. And I always, you hear me snapping? That's me clipping it before I even remove my hand from it, because in doing that, you prevent the hair from the topper itself getting stuck in those teeth. It kind of minimized it. I still got a couple, but not too shabby. So again, Heather, CysterWigs, thanks for watching. Bye.